Well, the late Kenya Airways captain Daudi Kibati has been laid to rest at his Kitui home today. The captain is among 4 Kenyans who have lost the battle with COVID-19 here in Kenya. He was eulogized as a brave man who paid with his life for taking one last flight out of New York to bring home hundreds of Kenyans from the heart of the pandemic. NTV's Brenda Wanga reports.
In these uncertain times, his colleagues braved the restrictions to afford him that last respect. They know that in line with the government regulations on social distancing, they will not be taking his body to Kitui for burial. So they say their final goodbyes now, here in the city, as the body of the late Kenya Airways captain Daudi Kibati leaves for his final resting place. Kibati was one of 4 people who have lost their lives to the COVID-19 disease here in Kenya. The late captain is believed to have contracted the disease during his last flight right before the ban on international flights was effected. The piloted Kenya Airways' final mercy flight out of New York, bringing home hundreds of Kenyans who were seeking to get back before the pandemic spread any further.
Captain Kibati managed to evacuate many Kenyans and non-Kenyans from the United States back into our country, but only for him to succumb to the same disease. In other words, he made the ultimate sacrifice.
He is said to have gone into quarantine soon after his arrival back home. 5 days into his quarantine, he collapsed at the hotel and was rushed to hospital to manage complications he had developed. He lost the battle of his life on the 1st of this month. He was buried at his Kavisuni village home in Kitui County. Brenda Wanga, NTV.